also with green roofs.
Yeah.
Turquoise in color.
Yeah.
I like it.
Asuntos käytti Helsingin Paciuksenkaari 19. Pikku-Huopalahti Helsinki staircase B.
Yeah, now we have both of them. They're different, so we have to get inside.
Yeah.
And I go to 6 first. It's idle.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Yeah.
Weird. But in the 1996 novel, it works.
Yeah.
It was built in 1998. They are 20 years old in 2018, and the serial number is H69318.
Yeah.
Because these 8 versions of 693 games. I don't know if it's going to use the overture.
Yeah, probably.
Right. We go first. So there's view from here.
Yeah.
You can see the terrace house over there, but unfortunately it's too boring. No elevators in case I see.
Yeah.
Built originally in 1993, 1994. There's a part of the Tilka Hospital or part of Mela.
Yeah.
But I haven't been in Tilka Hospital.
Yeah, same here.
I think Indres has been there.
Yeah.
Someone else has been there, but I haven't.
Yeah.
I don't know if we cannot go there because of the situation.
Yeah. And this building had 4 Kone elevators from 1996, but they have been modernized in 2019, unfortunately.
Yeah, we don't have to film them at all.
Yeah.
Only the 2 original ones. I haven't filmed one, but there's one more
Yeah.
on that side. But then there's no one in that side also.
Yeah.
We're gonna go there also.
Yeah.
This is interesting because in the same residential building they have two different
Yeah.
ones. So of course it's P instead of K here.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. And it is maintained by Kone, as you usually say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector. It's busy.
Yeah.
Let me see the column too. Yes. Like that. Just gonna check, but there's probably a lot. Yeah, it's locked.
Yeah.
But this is not the best one because the floor indicator doesn't work.
Yeah.
This video is now too long, but it's because someone was coming.
Yeah.
They have to fix the floor indicator.
Yeah.
Hopefully they can do it, and they don't put some sort of generic floor indicator.
Yeah.
Press 1. Still like this very much, but too bad this floor indicator doesn't work.
Yeah.
I mean, like we had to come here because two different Noveland is
Yeah.
the same residential building. I wonder why they put 2 different ones.
Yeah.
Maybe this could be later in 1998, the other one is earlier in 1998.
Yeah.
But they had the one space available in early 1980s.
Yeah.
Maybe they were ordered in 1997 already.
That's
That's it.